I've got here a Victorinox double-edged potato peeler. Christmas Eve, so I've got lots of vegetables to peel, so I thought I'd get a new potato peeler. So it's one of these ones with a solid handle and double edges and a little pointy bit for getting out, cutting holes where you need to. Feels pretty robust, so yeah, I think it's going to work out nicely. And the main crop carrots that need a little bit of peeling.
Sorry?
I wasn't talking to you. So it's a perfect opportunity to try out my new peeler. I like these solid bladed side action peelers. They're the ones that I favour. Very individual thing. Some people prefer swivel blades, some people prefer the end type peelers, but I like these. I find I can get a nice thin slither off these main crop carrots. Gliding through beautifully. No worries, I'm just collecting the